Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Windows Form. Today I am talking about C# collection fundamental, introducing C# collection. In this session I will cover two things: what is a collection and types of collections. In the types of collection we have list, dictionaries and sets. And what is a collections? Collection is a type. It's responsible for managing group of objects in memory and provide to access those objects. So here we have some employees in a groups. So these are the collections of employees known as a collection, or you can say the group of employees known as a collections. So these object in the terms of employee is stored in the memory known as RAM. So that's mean is a group of objects known as collection. Okay, so you can write it group of objects known as a collection. So please subscribe my channel if you like this video. So what is a collections? So it's a simple meaning. Collection is a type. It's responsible for managing group of objects in memory and provide to access those objects. So sorry for that. Variable employee, if you want to get a single data from your database or the list or some other things, so you can use simple lambda expressions, or you can say you can use link queries. So context.public property dot where a.id is double equals to 1 dot single or default. So you can retrieve only the single data in variable employee. So it's not a collection, it's a data only. So not necessary to say that it is a collection. If you get a list of data in a variable, then you can say this is a collections. So simply you mean that managing group of objects in a memory, it's provide to access those objects. That's mean of the collection. So it's a simple thing you can say. So variable employee context.public property dot toList, it means the list of objects pass or you can say store employees. So this is known as the collection. Okay, here we have types of collection. There is a list, a dictionary and the sets, and each are different from each others. So first of all, I'm talking about the list. So list, you can say access element by position in order. You can say that Apple, Samsung, LG, Vivo and MI all are the products name, and all these are arranged in order. So you can say access element by position in order known as list, and that list is based on the index number, and index number start from the 0 based. So list types in .NET is array type, generic type and many other things like collection, read only collections, observable connections. And the list of benefit of list are good for memory use and efficient for accessing element. So learn more thing about the list. Later video session I will cover it. Now the third thing is the dictionary, collection of object instance known as the dictionary. It's a far different from the list. Accessing item by index is not required. Accessing item by the name is useful. So because dictionary is actually stored two form, that is a key and the value, but the list is stored only the one value in the form of object, and dictionary store two value. So by using key you can retrieve the item from the dictionary. So dictionary t key and t value here is generic types. So group of objects you can access, you can store in the form of dictionary, but you can access the data from the groups by using their name and any other things you can retrieve. So here we have dictionary, name and 32, and so name and the age are stored in the dictionary. So and the variable employee equals to new dictionary, string and employee. So by using name we can retrieve object values. So access element by the name, from name you can say. Okay, so this is known as dictionary. not necessary to require index number in the dictionary, not necessary to require in order to store the elements. So only the two value is required, key and the value, where the key to retrieve item or you can say retrieve the value by using their key. And the last thing is the sets. If you focus on the set, that mean not direct access to an element, set treat the collection as well. So here we have two list, you can say, or you can say two sets A, B, C and B, C, D, E. If you want to get the common from the two sets, then you can easily get by the intersection property. By the union property, you can get all these data from the two sets, and distinct, I mean to duplicate removed from the sets. So sets are the collection that support being combined to form new sets, and the sets is here hash set and I set. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to C#. Thank you very much for watching this video.